The air in this greenhouse is full of the fragrance of flowers. It makes visitors feel like they're in an ocean of flowers. The complete growing process can be observed here. Efficient staff management. Intelligent greenhouse equipment can automatically open the curtain. Automatic water supply to achieve the integration of transmission, pruning, and packaging. Kingpeng serves China's greenhouses with technology. In 2020, Kingpeng's employees expanded their business in Kaiyuan, Yunnan Province. Undertake the One Country, One Industry model project. Adopt environmental control system, controlling every corner of the greenhouse. Efficient irrigation system makes recycling of water and fertilizer possible. Green becomes another line of defense for the greenhouse. Yunnan Kunming. Kingpeng employees are creative and optimized the design of greenhouse top window opening system, improved ventilation efficiency, successfully upgraded and renewed the membrane greenhouse, a road from the past leading to the future. 11 single greenhouses, 137 rooms, precise closed-loop control, 4 major functions, 16 system configurations. Kingpeng assists ZJU students and teachers with excellent technology, provide accurate service to build a research platform for facility agriculture. 4.0 model project, 20 days to complete 370,000 square meters of installed construction, overcome the limitations of low-temperature environment, perfect integration of greenhouse functional design with nature. 3-layer insulation system satisfies the best growing environment for plants. Everything is connected based on technology. Courageous dedication. Kingpeng has once again made the impossible a reality. A small tomato. Let farmers no longer rely on the weather to determine the harvest. The production status of the crop can be monitored in real time. Nutrients can be precisely replenished. The temperature environment is no longer singularly dependent on natural variation. Kingpeng provides a boost to intelligent agricultural production. From macro to micro, Kingpeng's strength is reflected in the details to the whole. With big data to help agricultural planting, from greenhouse to workshop, digitization stimulates the surging energy of the industry. Digitization drives the economy to flourish. Chinese greenhouses have always remained fresh and dynamic in the midst of change. From 1999 to 2022, Kingpeng's footprint has spread in more than 60 countries, more than 3,000 projects, more than 100 national patents. Kingpeng has led the domestic greenhouse industry, mechanized installation mode, improved the implementation of localization in large-scale Dutch planting model, built the world's first-class, modern, intelligent greenhouse. All this achievement completed by you, me, and our joint efforts.